Reu Kikuyu entertainment fraternity more so the acting sector nimarikitie gutungwo ni ndeto ya kiha na ya maithori. Very sad news irikitie kumatunga na kumatiga maihuro ni maithori. Na if you recall, not so long ago, actress urari ngumo muno wa Inoro TV Central Cinema nyarakorirwo akihuruka. She died while delivering her baby, na ndeto ĩno ĩgĩtiga aingĩ muno na maithori, na oho magĩkaĩra kana gake, praying that all shall be well with the baby boy. Na actress uyu etagwo Noni Shi no akorirwo akihuruka in July na agĩtiga kana gaka, but sadly and so painful, the baby boy has sadly rested. Na ndeto ici ciakorwo ikirekererio na gukorwo igiconfirmwo ni Kanyanya Stars, where actress Noni Shi was under Kanyanya Stars production. Na nio makorwo confirm ndeto ici ati unfortunately the baby whom Noni Shi left behind has also passed away. Ndeto ciagĩtiga aingĩ muno na maithori. So much pain, so much grief, and so much disbelief. It is a really sad loss. Na ndeto yake hamuno Akenya marikite gukorwo makiamukira. Na the official statement kuma Kanyanya Stars niyo no makiuga, hello fans, it's unfortunate that we lost the baby boy that Noni left behind. Rest in peace. Na thutha ucio Akenya makorwo makiyumiria na njira nene muno mourning this sad loss ya baby boy wa Noni Shi, actress Noni Shi. O maikiririkana gikuũ kia Noni Shi. 2 months ago she passed away, na now her baby boy has also passed away. Na they have sent their deepest condolences kuri family na kuri Kanyanya Stars production yothe at this time, this painful moment. Shiro Gladys akiuga woi, may the Lord be with that family. Pauline akauga so sorry, accept our condolences. Shiko akauga reach home safe baby boy. Nake Kari blessed woye sad, may the little boy rest in peace. Nake Lispa Jaimo, so sorry, my condolences to you and the entire family. Jane Wanjiro, so sad, rest in peace baby boy. Indeed, it is so sad, so painful, na a huge loss. Kana kakarohuruka ohoro na Noni Shi too, may she continue resting in eternal peace.